Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something super fun because I've done it before and you guys liked it, so I'm doing it again. It's a Sephora gratis haul, so if you guys are interested in watching that, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and continue watching. Because I have, so much stuff. This is not even half of it. I literally have so much stuff in here. I am going to be doing two separate videos, so if you guys are interested in seeing the skincare part, make sure to click the link down below or in this corner somewhere right here. So we're going to start today with the makeup bag. There's so many things in here that, like, I'm not gonna lie, the last video I actually added everything up and told you how much everything was worth. There's just way too many things for me to do that again, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I got was the Anastasia Riviera palette. Yes, nice cute summer shades. I did get the Fenty foundation and concealer. So Marc Jacobs. I've never used this. It's the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I haven't used this ever before, so we'll see. I got these brushes. I'm actually really excited about this one right here because it's the nicest and thinnest eyebrow pencil or even eyeliner brush. So I'm really excited to try this. I got... That always happens. I got the waterproof Better Than Sex mascara. There's just so many things in here. There's so many. Lancome monochromatic Haute Couture. It's a nice deep brick blush. So pretty. Then I got this Dior eyeshadow palette. It's warm neutral shades. So this is going to be cute. And I think this right here is like a primer slash concealer. Just like the palette I'm about to show you guys next. The Huda Beauty nude palette as well. And it comes with this little insert here. And this shade right here is a primer slash, crease cutter if you must. I don't think it'd probably be the best, but it's nice that they've included it. And I love a palette with a mirror. You guys know I love that. So I'm really excited to get that. I bought this one actually and did a video on it. And again, it'll be linked somewhere up here. So if you want to watch it, go watch it. And I wasn't impressed with the, color payoff and just the shade options. I just felt like they were a little too neutral slash cool toned, and I don't know. But the glitters were very pretty, and that's kind of why I wanted to buy it in the first place. But the fact that I got it for free, like, I'm excited, like... Then I got this Smashbox concealer. I also did get the Smashbox foundation. I wore that yesterday. A1 foundation if you guys are looking for a natural finish. I got these velour lashes. They're supposed to be like from their new Effortless. Can't even remember the name of the line, but supposed to be like lashes that you don't have to cut or anything. You just put the glue on and pop them right on. They're cute for like an everyday look. So many things. Also with the Huda palette, I did get these two lipsticks in the shades Joyride and Interview. And it did get messed up in the packaging, I guess, but this is a nice pinkish rosy lipstick. And the packaging is beautiful. Like, look at it. And then this one's more of like a cool tone mauve color. They're so cute. I can't wait to try these actually. I will definitely try something with those. I got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, the Anastasia Dip Brow. This was actually very new when they first got it. I still haven't tried it. Oh no, I lied. I did try it. I tried it on a client, and the only thing I will say is go a shade down if you're gonna try this, because they do run really dark. I don't know why. So I'm thankful for whoever gave me dark brown, because I'm usually ebony in the so the Dip Brow Gel, I will definitely do a shade down if you're trying to use those. I got a beauty blender. Can never have too many beauty blenders. This NARS Orgasm Blush. It's their #1 selling blush. I did get that, and that's cute. It's supposed to be like a universal shade for everyone. Not too sure if it is, but like, it's cute or whatever. In the packaging, this is from Kat Von D. I got 3 things from her. It's the setting powder, a lipstick in the color Lovecraft, and it looks like this. It's another pinkish rosy lipstick. And then their #1 selling eyeliner, and I actually really like this. It is the Tattoo Liner, a classic cult favorite, and I'm happy to have that. So I got those 3 things from Kat Von D. I got some foundations, and I think they are slightly darker, so I'm excited to try these in the summertime as I get darker. This is the Dior Backstage Foundation. You can use this on the face and the body. I got the color 4.5 Warm. I think it's slightly too dark for me, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that, but like, yeah, it's too dark for me right now. But like, once the sun hits me a little bit, like, it'll probably be a perfect match. So I'm excited to try that. I also have the Lancome Teinte Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. This one has an SPF of 15 in it. So again, a nice summer foundation, because it's going to give you that skincare benefit of having like sunscreen. It's not the highest, but at least you have some sort of protection. I have the color 460 Suede Warm. I am of a warm undertone, so I'm happy that I got the right shades in those. I also got a couple other cult favorites. I got the Laura Mercier setting powder. You can see my name on it. In the translucent shade. This is a nice universal powder. However, I wouldn't use it on darker, richer tones, just because I feel like it leaves a white undercast. But for the most part, it's, you know, kind of there, kind of not. They do have a darker shade, so if you feel like you are on the darker side, they are darker shades available. I also got the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I usually use ebony in the Brow Wiz, but I am willing to try dark brown just because I have the dip brow in that as well, so maybe it'll kind of work out for me, but I'm usually in ebony. Pump and Volume Mascara. The Sephora collection, these are actually pretty new. It's supposed to be like a cream eyeshadow. I got the color Jasper. It's a nice brownish gold. I don't even know how to describe this color, but it's cute. It's like a greenish brown color. That'd be really nice to try. And then I also got the Dior Stellar Shine in the color 595. And it's this like purpley pink iridescent lipstick. I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of that, but like, it's worth a try, I guess. I got the Sephora collection eyeliner, and it's the liquid one, so that's nice to have. You can never have too many liquid liners. I also got the matching concealer to the Teinte Idole foundation, so now I have both of them to try, which is exciting. And last but not least, I did get the new Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. This is supposed to be volumizing and lengthening. I don't know too much about it, I'm not gonna lie, but I am excited to try it because, like, look at the packaging. Like, this is cute. This is cute. That has come to the end of my video. If you guys are interested in seeing the skincare video again, that will be right here. So you can go ahead and press that link and go ahead